Okay, this is just a quick guide to furthermore and moreover, two of the more important words for linking your English. Why are these words important? Let me give you three different reasons. One reason is coherence. Now, if that doesn't mean anything to you, think of it like this. These words, and coherence generally, make your writing easier for readers to understand. That's a good thing. And if you want another reason, these words help you write more clearly. And what I mean by that is that if you learn to use them well, they actually help you to write not just better, but more easily. When do you use them? Well, normally we use these words between two sentences when you're adding a related idea. The key meaning of them is another point or another idea, another argument is. So, how do you use them? They're almost always the first word in a sentence, and note this, they are followed by a comma. Take a look at this example. Topic sentence. It's unquestionably true that life is becoming more difficult for commuters who drive to work. I want to explain it. This is partly because the amount of traffic is increasing at an extremely rapid rate and roads are becoming more congested. But to write the paragraph, I want to say something more. I have another related idea. Furthermore, comma. The government is not investing enough money to maintain the transport infrastructure, which affects the quality of roads. Now, that is a beautifully written paragraph. And one way I've written it well is by using the linker furthermore. Now, there is a danger. The danger is you use furthermore and moreover too often. So this is when not to use them. Don't use them when the second sentence gives an example of the first sentence. Use a different linker, for example. Or if the second sentence makes a contrast or an opposite point to a first sentence, use something like in contrast. Or if the second sentence explains a reason for the first sentence, use a different linker, something like this is because. And, note this, if a second sentence doesn't make a related point, don't write that second sentence. Good writing is linking sentences together. You should never really have two sentences making unrelated points, and you can't use furthermore or moreover to put them together. It's still bad writing. Remember, there are other linking words and phrases too. If you're an exam person, it's important to use a variety of language, and this applies to linking words too. You can't use the same word all the time, and sometimes it's more stylish to use a linking phrase than just one word. For example, another related argument is that. And if you want one or two more examples, another point is, a related idea is, in addition to this. They all work in the same way. Final point for now, what about speaking? Well, furthermore and moreover are mainly used in more formal writing, and they're less common when we're just chatting. When we're doing that, we normally use other language. Keyword here is actually and. But if you want something slightly more advanced, try what's more or I'd add that. Okay, I hope that's helped, and that's all for now.